What's up, Breeze Heat family? If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for all of your support. It really means a lot to me. But we're going to get into this pasta though, because this bang bang shrimp pasta, now I made this in under 30 minutes, y'all. So I know y'all can do the same. This is a quick dinner. If you want to just do something quick and tasty, do this. So you're going to start off with half of a red bell pepper, half of an onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Boil some water. Make sure you get some salt in that water. We love to have some salt in our pasta water. And you want to make sure that you're going to be mixing this frequently, like when you first put it in, as well as while it's cooking, just to ensure that they don't stick together or anything like that. All right, now for the sauce, you're going to start off with 2 big old scoops of mayo. I love spicy food. So I put a lot of sriracha in here, but if that's not your taste levels, do it to your taste levels. If you like a little spice, do a little spice. I had some spicy chili garlic that I found at this store. I thought it was really, really good. Added some honey. Now, the mayo and the honey is what's going to tone the sriracha down. So you don't have to think that you are, if you put a lot in, that it's going to be super, super hot. But just be aware that it's going to be a little spice, a little kick. So you go in with some lemon juice. And then next, you're going to get some crushed bell peppers. I would say this is probably like a teaspoon or so. And you want to mix it. You want to make sure, because you just put a couple of different things in there. You want to make sure that it's getting mixed very well. You want to mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. You're going to see me going in and kind of going around the sides just to make sure I'm getting everything into there. You're going to want to do this too. The reason this recipe is super easy, 30 minutes, is because all you got to do is boil the water. And while the water is boiling, honestly, you can make your sauce and get your shrimp ready. So as far as the shrimp, you're going to go ahead and take some garlic powder. Oh, all of the ingredients and all of the information will be listed below. I don't have the exact measurements, but I will definitely give you guys an eye of what I think. So garlic powder, onion powder. I got this garlic herb seasoning, y'all, and it don't have no salt. I got it last week. It's empty. Pepper good for color, because we pretty. But yeah, add a little. Y'all see, I love it. I put some more in there. I put some garlic salt in there too, a little decent amount, just because I didn't put any regular salt in it. And I don't want this to be too salty. I just kind of want this to be flavorful with more of the sauce and everything like that. So you're going to put some seasoning, add some flavor. Go ahead and in a hot pan, I chose a cast iron just for presentation purposes, but you can do this in any pan. I grabbed the onion, the garlic, and the bell pepper that was cooking. Added the shrimp in. Once that was in, I was able to just let it cook on each side, probably for 3 minutes max. And I just kind of mix it around and let it just cook in there. Just let it cook in the residual heat. I like to let my shrimp cook on one side and then kind of flip them and stuff. So I took a few of the shrimp out just for presentational purposes, because later on you'll see what I do with them. So once your shrimp is finished, you're going to go ahead and add in your pasta. I added it in the same pan as the shrimp just because I wanted all of those juices from the shrimp, the onions, and the bell peppers, all of that it just cooked in, to be a part of the sauce. So you add your sauce in, and then you just really mix it around, how we talked about before. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Make sure it's all good. You're going to see the oil on the side from the shrimp. Make sure you get that all up in there. You need that to marinate that taste. Once you feel like it's mixed enough or saucy enough for your liking, go ahead and put it to the side. This is time for plating. This is why I kept those shrimp to the side, just because I didn't want them to have sauce on them. I have shrimp in there, of course, but I also wanted the shrimp to, show their color. That's what that paprika do, baby. Gives it color. And then you're going to add some parsley as well. Chop it up. Fresh parsley. Ain't nothing like it. And then I also added some lemons as a garnish. You can slice them. You can do them how I did them on here. You can just squeeze a lemon on top. Whatever. It's your world, But that spicy bang bang shrimp pasta in 30 minutes. Here we are. As always, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a like. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and click that button right now. But we are gone. If y'all want to see anything else, be sure to mention me on Instagram or anything like that. Bye, guys.